Hi, my name is Mike.
And my name is Sherry.
Like many of you, I struggled with intense teeth grinding for years. It left me with constant jaw pain, throbbing headaches, and even serious damage to my teeth.
I worked as a dental assistant for over 35 years, and paying just over $800 every 3 to 4 months for a custom mouth guard wasn't sustainable for us. It was until I found Delovia anti-grinding mouth guard. I was completely amazed by its quality.
And I was with its comfort. Let me show you how easy it is to mold it for a perfect fit.
It comes with 4 mouth guards, 2 small and 2 large, perfect for men and women both. Here's all you need to get started: a clean bowl of hot water and your mouth guard. For molding, 167 Fahrenheit is the ideal temperature. That's what worked for me, but you can also try between 158 and 167 at your convenience. Submerge the mouthguard in the hot water for about 15 seconds. This softens the material, making it easy to shape. Then safely take the mouthguard out of the hot water. Then place the softened guard over your teeth and gently bite down for 10 to 12 seconds. Use your tongue to press it against the inside of your teeth and your fingers to shape it around the outside. This will help it fit snugly and feel comfortable in your mouth. Remove the guard and place it in cold water to set the shape. Wear it before bedtime. It's very light and comfortable, and you'll barely notice you're wearing it. Say goodbye to morning soreness and tension in your jaw, and wake up feeling refreshed. When you wake up in the morning, give it a quick rinse and place it in the case, and enjoy your fresh, stress-free day. I found using a thermometer and a timer really helped me to get the best results with my molds. I advise you to try the same approach.